Hi guys, and girls for that matter. I'm Ron Bryant, I'm SSAA Nationals Merchandise Guide. In stock now is something we've been hanging out for, is the brand new SSAA cordless knife sharpener. Obviously it comes all pre-packaged with all the bits and pieces. Here's one we've prepared earlier. As you can see, you get your basic sharpener, you get a set of spare extra belts. The normal belts you get with it, there's 4 and there's another set of 6 in the kit. You get your recharger, you get your basic instructions, and you also get an extra knife guide, which is basically for, as you can see there, it's for 60-degree angle for scissors and serrated knives. One of the few things a lot of the other stuff can't do. We'll get rid of that. This fella's been recharged. We've had it on charge for a little while. Get rid of all that ceremoniously. And what we do with the knife set, basically rotate him up, click it, you'll see inside there is your emery wheel belt. It will spin when you turn it on. Put the knife sharpener attachment back on. And to basically use it, you have 2 modes. If you look here, you'll see there's a switch will go either way. That's for pulse, and this one's on for permanent. It has a 1500 milliamp battery, which lasts for absolutely yonks when you're ready to go. To use it in the setup, you'll see on the side here you've got your knife guides, which you run your knife through. And basically, let's do it this way. You drop your knife into the guide and you draw it back once the belt's running. So what we do, turn her on, draw it through that way, doesn't take much pressure, and then you go the other side. And that's basically it. They don't take much. It comes in a whole range of different belt grits. You've got your 80 through to the 240, depending on the quality of your knife and how bad it is. I actually won't see too many people using the 80 grit, but yeah, you don't need much to actually sharpen them up. And it will put an absolute ripper edge on your blade, and away you go. Its biggest benefit is, it is cordless and rechargeable. You can actually whack it in the back of you after she's charged up, and away you go. $89.95, absolute bargain price for members, by the members. And there you go, hope you enjoy and knock yourself out and go and buy one. Available online.